Yo, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. And today we are going to be getting some body work done on a 335 that I spoke about a couple videos ago. Yeah, so we getting the car towed there. I'm on my way there now. The car's already on the way there to get to the body shop. So we about to head there and get everything set up, pay for the work and whatnot, and then it should take about a day or two. I've heard some people tell me about this shop, they turn around as like same day depending on what exactly is going on with the car. So yeah, we starting that process of getting the car, you know, legalized, you know, back for Georgia, you feel me? So we heading there now, and I'm gonna pick up the camera back when we get there. Let's go. All right, y'all, we just pulled up. 335 sitting right there.
Yeah. He fuck on me every minute and shit, man.
Yeah, they definitely cracking down, because I think when I got pulled over a couple months ago,
you see,
they was talking about they implementing some new laws with like the exhaust, it being lowered and all that.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, man. This shit, they're making it rough now, dude. Fuck this, man. Yeah.
It sucks, bro.
Yeah, I know.
But I mean, you gotta stay low key. If they get up on you, they get up on you. I haven't heard of nobody getting like a ticket for like the exhaust.
Yeah.
But I've heard of somebody getting pulled over and getting a ticket for their suspension.
The suspension. Oh wow.
I was like, nah, this ain't no way they doing Georgia like how they doing Cali. Cause you know that's how it is in Cali.
Oh, got you.
Cali, they real tough.
But for your suspension,
if it's low,
if it's too low. Wow. And then I didn't know that part, dude. It's something new to me right now. Yeah. I didn't know about that shit. I know about the exhaust and all that shit being loud and all that shit. Yeah. Wow.
Yeah, it's crazy. I'm just trying to get the whip right.
Wow. Yeah, that's crazy. Yeah.
I don't think you think that they'll trip about the rear bumper. When I take it to the inspection, you think they'll trip?
Don't worry about it. I might have it catching for you too, brother. Don't worry about it.
Okay.
Yeah, I got you. I was just thinking about it too. I was just thinking about the rear bumper too. Yeah, I'm gonna catch it for you. I might have it leaving problem for you too. Okay. Yeah, just in case. I mean, they want to take the why the bumper, what happened here, why the bumper not in prime or whatever.
Yeah.
So I'll do it for you. Don't worry. We'll still keep it at the 604 or whatever.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll go ahead. I'll tell her go ahead and catch the bumper for you too.
Cool.
Yeah.
Baby right here.
They might say something because you got the damage and stuff on it. So why you didn't fix the bumper? Like, you know, it's pieces and and then you see right here too. So but also why you didn't repair the bumper? Like, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I'll go ahead and do it though. I got you, bro.
Alright,
yeah, I got you.
You said around when?
Yeah, hopefully I can have you ready by Tuesday. If I'm done before then, you know what I'm saying? I'll hit you up and let you know.
Cool.
Yeah.
Alright, so y'all heard the man. My voice crack. Y'all heard the man. He's gonna get working on it. He's gonna bring the car in right after they working on I think he said a RAV4. So walking up on his car, it's sit mean. I ain't gonna lie. The car sit real mean. Yeah, this is the process, man. I'm fighting for this car, fighting for the content on it, because it's got stories, a lot of stories attached to it. So I don't want to get rid of it just yet. I don't believe in just, you know, giving up on whips and whatnot, but to each his own. So this car got a story attached to it, so I want to try to run with that. But yeah, man, so definitely gonna pick the camera back up, see what it's looking like after they get done touching it. Shout out to my guys over here at America Auto Body. They do a lot. They do really good work. I've seen on their pictures on Yelp, and make the car look like it's just brand new. Like, so hopefully they get my baby right. I'm pretty sure they will. It's not as bad as it looks. It really don't look that bad, to be honest with you. It's not that noticeable. It was actually worse than this when it happened. We pulled it out a little bit right here around the fender, because this was like. This is way in, but this is definitely well needed for sure. It's a long time coming. Should have been got this taken care of, but you know, it's life. Things happen. You feel me? So we back up. I think it's gonna be later this week, or I think he said Tuesday. So yeah, man, the 335.
1 week later.
Alright, so we just got up here at the body shop. As you can see, back fixed. Gotta get it painted. But the car is gonna be down for a little while, so I'm not really worried about this. I'm just trying to get it like this so they can pretty much I can get it past the inspection and get it legal now. So that's really all I'm focused on right now, but I'm definitely gonna have him come paint it. That dent is fixed, 100,000%, feeling good. So let me put the light on it real quick. Smooth. So all it's gonna need now is paint. Got the rear bumper good. Get this wheel back coated. I'm gonna have somebody powder coat that. But other than that, it's been a successful. So yeah, as I was saying, it's got this whole panel like this with Bondo refinished. Pretty much like how my fenders look, just pretty much primer, ready to go for paint. So I'm just doing this so I could, like I said, take care of the car and get the legalization issues with the car fixed, and then we're gonna come back and get this painted like the rest of the car. So overall, he did a fantastic job with the whip. I'm happy with it, and the rear bumper is also damaged as well, so that's sanded down and everything. So it looks good. I'm not mad about it. Definitely looks good, so I'm happy about it. Like I said, we just gotta, the next step is doing that, getting that right, and figuring out something with what's going on with the engine. So that's we're gonna leave that for a whole nother video. But other than that, I appreciate y'all stopping by the video, checking in. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Let's go.